Okay, so we're at the hotel now. It's more of a lodge than a hotel. It's quite nice, a wooded area, little chalets everywhere. It's a bit dark now, so I'll record it again in the morning so you can see. But that's the environment, and that's my camera person. Yeah, so we'll just yeah. Let me hold on to that actually. Let's take that camera. Okay, I hope you can see me. So we'll just show you the room. I'm gonna spin this round, or maybe I'll walk backwards so you can see. So this is the layout of the hotel. It's a lodge style hotel. So little chalets, like I said. Not quite sure what else to say. It's a bit dark. Wooded area, play area right there. I'm not quite sure if you can see that, but and this is our room, room 11. Quick room tour.
Colo mentality.